Hey YouTube, it's Corey. So if you're tuning in, this is actually going to be my first broadcast of opening up Pokemon cards because I kind of seen that going on the bandwagon for a lot of people doing it now. I have 4 packs of Pokemon uh, Sword and Shield. So let's go ahead and get to it. And I did pre-open these ones. I did not open them. Just wanted to be ready for anything. Here's the code card for anyone. Just pause the video when you want to watch it and you can have it. Let's go ahead and do it. 4 card shuffle. So we'll start off with an energy. I know a lot of people probably have more better knowing what's going on. Those are the two. There's the rares. Ninetales. And an energy church reverse hollow. So we'll go on to the next one. Like I said, I already did cut these open. Ooh, white back. Here's the code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Electric energy. Ooh, seeking. Rod. Bullpix. I don't know the new stuff. Ooh, Krabby. Candy, and there's the rare one. Very cool. It is Snorlax VMAX, and also a rare candy. Reverse hollow. So we'll go on to the next pack that I got. Alright. Here's the code card. Pause when you need it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, here we go. Electric energy. Some sort of bike. Ooh, another Vulpix. Here's reverse hollow and the rare. There we go. Alright, last pack of the day. And I know this is a little bit long video, kind of slow start on these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Ooh, water energy. A hammer. Reverse hollow of that and a Snorlax. Alright. And like always, stay cool, stay positive. Have a good day.